I'm going to present you with 3 innovative ideas to help you generate passive income. These ideas have been carefully selected based on your specific preferences and requirements. I firmly believe that they have the potential to bolster your financial standing in the long run. Let's dive into the details. Passive income refers to the money you earn without having to work set hours or follow a strict schedule. It is a form of income that continues to generate even when you are not actively involved in the day-to-day operations. Passive income is a type of earnings that is not dependent on your regular 9-to-5 job and can be generated without your active participation. 1. Print on demand. Print on demand is a great opportunity for artists, designers, and entrepreneurs to turn their creativity into a profitable income stream. This business model involves collaborating with suppliers to personalize white-label products, such as t-shirts, posters, backpacks, or books, and selling them on a per-order basis. It allows you to showcase your unique designs without the need for large upfront investments or inventory management. Just like dropshipping, the payment for the product is only made after it has been sold. This means you don't have to purchase inventory up front, giving you more flexibility and reducing financial risk. Print-on-demand stores offer a great opportunity for generating passive income, and one of the reasons is that there is no requirement to buy products in bulk or maintain inventory. This eliminates the need for large upfront investments and reduces the risk of overstocking or loss due to unsold items. With print-on-demand, products are created and shipped only when an order is placed, ensuring a more efficient and cost-effective process. Creating and launching products has become faster and more efficient thanks to technological advancements. With the right tools and platforms, it is now possible to have your products ready for sale in a matter of minutes. This streamlined process allows businesses to adapt quickly to market demands and seize opportunities without unnecessary delay. Shipping and fulfillment is taken care of by your supplier. After successfully setting up your store, you'll have the opportunity to automate various marketing and sales processes. This automation can help streamline your operations and free up valuable time for you to concentrate on other aspects of your business. By partnering with a print-on-demand company such as Printful, you have the convenience of swiftly and effortlessly generating products for sale on your Shopify store. This approach offers a simple and low-risk way to generate passive income, allowing you to get your business up and running quickly. 2. Invest in REITs. If you're not in a position to buy entire apartment buildings due to financial constraints, there are still ways to earn rental income. One option is to invest in smaller residential properties, such as single-family homes or condos, and rent them out. Another option is to consider investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, which allow you to invest in a portfolio of income-generating properties without the need for substantial capital. Additionally, you can explore opportunities like Airbnb, where you can rent out rooms or even your entire home on a short-term basis for extra income. With platforms like Fundrise, you have the opportunity to tap into the potential of real estate investment trusts, REITs, by making an affordable investment of only $500. This allows you to access the benefits of real estate investing without requiring a substantial capital up front. These platforms offer opportunities to invest in a diverse range of real estate assets, allowing you to potentially earn passive income as the value of these assets appreciates over time. It's an accessible way to dip your toes into the world of real estate investing with a relatively small initial investment. REITs is a company that owns and manages profitable real estate. It's a great way for smaller investors to pool their money to afford investments they wouldn't be able to afford by themselves. If you have startup capital and are looking for long-term investment options, real estate investment trusts, REITs, are worth considering. REITs offer a unique opportunity to invest in a diversified portfolio of income-generating properties. They can provide steady cash flow and potential capital appreciation over time, making them one of the best income ideas for investors seeking stable returns. 3. Invest in businesses. In today's world, investing in previously inaccessible business opportunities has become much more attainable. Thanks to platforms such as Mainvest, anyone can now start investing with as little as $100. What's even better is that these platforms often waive the usual investor fees, making it a hassle-free and cost-effective way to passively invest. When it comes to the returns on your investment with Mainvest, it can vary based on various factors. However, the platform aims to earn investors anywhere from a 10% to 25% return. The best part is that you don't have to spend time vetting businesses yourself. Mainvest handles the vetting process for you, making it easier for you to get started by simply investing your capital. Investing in passive income streams can be a smart move for those looking to generate extra revenue. It offers a safe and low-risk opportunity to enter the world of business investments while gaining valuable knowledge along the way. Passive income is an effective way to generate value for yourself without the need for constant active work. It allows you to earn money even during periods of inactivity, providing you with financial stability and freedom. Engaging in a side hustle is an excellent opportunity to earn additional income while also dedicating more time to your passion. By pursuing such income-generating activities, you can strike a balance between financial stability and doing what fulfills you. There are several skills you may possess that can be leveraged to create a new passive income stream. With a bit of time and research, you can use these skills to get your passive income stream up and running. Thank you for joining our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the concept of passive income. It's an important topic that can provide valuable insights into generating income with minimal effort. To make sure you don't miss any of the information, we encourage you to watch the entire video. And if you find it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it with others who might benefit from this discussion.